Looking for a career-driven university that blends skills with education? Welcome to ITM Skills University, where innovation meets excellence. Located in the heart of India, ITM Skills University is redefining higher education by integrating real-world skills with academic knowledge. Whether you aim for a career in management, technology, finance, or healthcare, we've got industry-focused programs tailored just for you. At ITM Skills University, we bridge the gap between education and employment with check industry-aligned curriculum, check 100% placement, assistance, check hands-on learning with expert faculty, global exposure and corporate internships. Our graduates get placed in top companies like TCS, Deloitte, Infosys, Amazon, and many more. Your future starts here. But wait, confused about admissions? Don't worry. Advise Brother is here to guide you every step of the way. Get personalized college selection expert counseling. Absolutely free. Hassle-free admission process. For admission assistance, contact 7595057817 8935893710. Visit advisebrother.com. Like, share and subscribe for more career guidance from Advise Brother.